Hi friends, it's me, Huggy the Happy Heart. I'm so glad you're here with me today. It's a beautiful winter's day, the kind where snowflakes sparkle in the air and everything feels quiet and magical. But things in our lives aren't always magical. Sometimes our hearts and minds can feel a little anxious or overwhelmed, and that's okay. When that happens, taking a moment to move our bodies and focus on our breathing can help us feel calm, steady, and ready to face the rest of our day. We can do this together with my fun winter brain break. We'll start by moving our bodies with some snowy winter activities. Then we'll finish our time together with some peaceful, deep breathing. Let's start warming up those winter muscles with some downhill skiing. To ski in place, keep your feet in one place and bend your knees. Gently sway your body side to side like you're zooming down a snowy mountain on your skis. Let's set the timer and ski together for 15 seconds.
Great work, super skiers! Let's keep our energy up with some snow angel jumping jacks. Jump your feet out while your arms sweep up. Then jump your feet back in while your arms sweep down. Here we go for 15 seconds. Amazing work! Now that you're nice and warmed up, let's do some skating in place. Slide your feet across the floor like you're gliding on a frozen pond. Let your arms swing gently like real skaters. Ready? Here we go! We're on our last high energy activity. It's time to shake it out like you're inside a snow globe. Jump up and down and let your whole body wiggle like swirling snowflakes. 3, 2, 1, shake! Way to move your bodies! Let's make sure we get all our extra energy out and repeat the 4 activities one more time. Back to the slopes for some downhill skiing. Take a few deep breaths and get ready for 15 seconds of Snow Angel jumping jacks. Way to go! Catch your breath while you lace up those skates for some skating around the pond. Let's get all of those wiggles out with our last 15 seconds of the Snowglobe Shake. Those winter wiggles are all out, and the snowflakes swirling around you are starting to settle. Now it's time for things to get a little quieter with a frosty 5 senses focus. We'll use our 5 senses: sight, touch, hearing, smell, and taste to help us calm our bodies and focus on what's happening right now. Imagine that you've landed in a winter wonderland. Maybe you're watching friends build a snowman, walking through a magical gingerbread village, or standing in a snowy forest where the trees are icy and sparkling. Use your 5 senses to explore your winter world. We'll pause for about 10 seconds to really imagine and think about each of our senses. What do you see in your snowy scene? What do you feel on your skin? Maybe the cold air or soft snow. What do you hear around you? A gust of wind? Friends laughing? What can you smell in the winter air? Finally, what do you taste? You can imagine eating a yummy gingerbread cookie or a minty candy cane. Nice job! Someone just handed you a hot chocolate to warm up after your time outside. We're going to use this warm drink to help us do our final activity together today, calming hot chocolate breathing. Imagine you're holding a big mug of warm hot chocolate in your hands. Maybe it has big gooey marshmallows on top, or even a candy cane. Close your eyes and feel the warmth from the mug heating your fingers. Take a slow breath in through your nose as you smell the yummy chocolatey smell. Now breathe out gently through your mouth like you're blowing on the hot chocolate to cool it down. Not too hard, just a soft, warm puff. Smell the hot chocolate with a big, slow breath in. Cool it down with a gentle breath out. One more time. Breathe in and smell the hot chocolate. Breathe out and cool it down. We did it! That was a fun and calming mindful moment together. Our bodies feel more relaxed and our hearts feel happy. Remember, you can come back to these winter brain break activities anytime you need to feel more peaceful and give your heart and mind a happy hug.